Okay, brilliant smart Wi-Fi plugs available Kmart and Bunnings. Bunnings is cheaper, $15. Kmart's 20, I think. So got the plug here. Have to bring this up a bit higher so you can see it straight away. So plug it in and you got this flashing thing. First thing you got to do is turn it on, then hold it in for about 5 seconds, I think. Now it's in pairing mode, and that's how you start the pairing mode. Then you come down here on my tablet and you find the Brilliant Smart tablet app. So I'll just hold on and find it. So locate the Brilliant Smart app. If you're registered, that's all good. If you're existing, just log in. And of course, my wife is not logged in, so I'm going to go find out why I need to log in. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, let's try and add it again. Gotta go on an angle. Okay, we've got it here. It's on my wife's tablet, so it's a bit dark. Okay, so what are we doing? Smart plug over in the corner, up top. Confirm. It's blinking. So it's blinking rapidly. Well, I thought it was change network. Make sure you're on the right network. Connected. Okay. Confirm. So now it's trying to find it, but I don't think it's going to find it because I don't think it's blinking rapidly enough. Let's try. They're very hard to, so it's now blinking very rapidly. So if you have not got it set up to blink like that, it is not doing it properly. Okay, trying to find it, hoping to find it. Other option you could do is do it close to your router, which would probably be a lot smarter. It seems to have found it at 47%. I'm hoping it has. It has found it. And device is successfully connected. Done. So you go to done there. Then you've got to name the device. The new device firmware found, upgrade now. So it's upgrading the device's firmware. So there's a firmware update, which I hope doesn't affect it. So it's downloading that very quickly. Sorry about the display. Trying not to get that causing any grief. It has a red light on the actual plug while it's upgrading, so don't stress on that. Now the light's gone out at 100. So light's off. Red light's back on. It is upgrading. Red light off again, and it's back on. So it seems to be toggling between those two settings. I'm hoping this actually updates. So now I should be able to turn that on. Yep, turns on and off. So I've got the red blue light on. I can press a button in the middle and it will turn that off. So now I need to name that plug. Sorry about the camera work today. Where is the naming? Name the plug. Change the name of the plug to shed light. Now my keyboard is a bit dodgy. Save that. Then we can go to Google Assistant. Google Assistant. Add it to Google Assistant as another thing to do. Just got to set up found the device. So I've got to go to Google Assistant and set it up. It's only got the instructions there, so I will go out of there and go into Google Assistant. Hopefully find it. Pause and look for it. So just going into Google Assistant, looking for the shed. Oh, that's awesome. That's not what I want. I want to come down to my shed. So I go to the shed setting. And then I need to add another one. No, that doesn't tell me much. So let's go and add. Set up device. Create home. No, set up device. So link your smart home. Philips Hue, no. Try that one. That might be it. No, it's not that one. It could be that one. My home devices, looking for devices. Set up a don't see your device. Set up some smart lights. So it's not finding it. Looking for device again. This might take a while. So it's not looking for that. Let's try and set up a light. Choose a device that's set up. Multiple devices found. I need to pause for a minute. So after looking for a minute, I just went to working with Google. Have something already set up, so you just go to that one instead. It'll come up with the device up the top. Unlink account. No, I don't want to unlink account. No, that's not right either. So that's not going to work either. So I'm going to have to play with it and see if I can get it to work. I'll show you on the next one. Okay, catch you on the next one. Okay, let's talk these Brilliant Smart switches. Okay, from Brilliant Smart. All right, if you've got more than one of these, you need to pair all of them at once. If you have one beforehand, you need to re-add it to the application, which is stupid. Absolutely stupid. I tried to talk to this company. They said they'd fixed all their problems, they've fixed nothing. It's just like our government at the moment. Our government, if you have a problem with the Australian government with money laundering, even the Governor General won't talk to you about it. I was watching a show from the CEC report, and some of the things that they're doing is downright criminal. Or if it's not downright criminal, it's people not wanting to do their own job. And we won't go into which Governor General it was, but they need to start having a serious look at themselves and trying to get things done. And if our government's not going to do their job properly, or it's too hard for all of them, then they should all quit and let a whole new lot of people that are going to actually actively do their job in Australia. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. Now we're going to try and fix this up. Bye. So, had a lot of problems adding a couple of the Brilliant Smart app plugs on. I've got 3 of them. So this one here is not connected. Don't know where that connects into, but it doesn't connect there. So what I've done is I've added it, and sorry about my camera work, again. Add it there. So there's the on-off switch for it. Down here, you go up to the settings, the cog, and you need to add it to a home. So I'm just going to add it to home because I've added it in. So then you go next. Then it comes up with this information here. I'll try and get that in screen. Don't worry about that, just press next again. So move device to, and then I've got it in my shed, so I'll just add it to my shed connection. So, and just go next, and it should add it all in. All finished, all done. No problems at all. So now you can just go back and you share all this to your other people on your network, and you should be able to use your other phones and tablets as long as it's hooked up to Google Home, and they're all hooked up in there. So I'll just have a look. Okay, Google, turn off CR10.
Sure, turning off County Route 10.
Okay, Google, turn off Ender 3.
It looks like Brilliant Smart is unavailable right now.
Okay. All right. Okay, Google, turn off Ender 3.
Got it. Turning off Ender 3.
So the Ender 3 is turned off. It was having a problem because I was still logged into it. Other than that, it's pretty well done. So that's it. So a bit of a long-winded explanation of how to hook them all up. But yeah, just remember, these are a cheap switch. They do what you need them to do, as long as you use an older operating system to hook them up, because newer phones don't work. Talked to the company a while back. They said that it does. I don't believe it does. It might work on an old Mac, because that's what they've got displayed on the front screen. Yeah. Anyway, that's it from me. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.